larger removals, make a selection around the unwanted object using the lasso or quick selection tool. Go to Edit, Fill, and choose Content Aware from the drop-down menu. Photoshop analyzes surrounding pixels and intelligently reconstructs the area. This technology works best when sufficient clean space surrounds your target. For complex backgrounds, paint your selection mask carefully. Photoshop samples nearby pixels to fill naturally. Combine multiple small selections rather than one massive one for better results. Use the Refine Edge option to feather selections before filling, creating seamless transitions. Advanced users create separate layers for healing to preserve originals. The algorithm struggles with highly structured patterns or straight edges requiring manual touch-ups afterward. Photographers eliminate photobombers. Architects remove cars from exterior shots. Product photographers